What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back. If you are hunting for a real game-changing 5G flagship in 2026, stop scrolling right now. Seriously, because today we are talking about a phone that doesn't just raise the bar, it launches the bar into another galaxy. We are looking at a 300 megapixel DSLR level camera, a massive 7500 milliamp-hour monster battery, and all of this from a brand we all grew up trusting. That's right, Nokia is back, and they are not playing games. This is the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G, and if you thought Nokia was a thing of the past, the next few minutes are going to flip your entire world. Stay tuned. Design and display. First, let's talk about the look and that screen. One glance at this display and you will be hooked. We are talking about a massive 6.85-inch QHD Plus Super AMOLED panel running at a butter-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you are grinding on high-end mobile games like Call of Duty or Genshin Impact, or streaming 8K cinematic content, the experience is absolutely next level. And because this is Nokia, they didn't forget durability. It features an in-display fingerprint sensor, an IP69 rating, which means water and dust are basically a joke to this phone, and it's topped off with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. That classic legendary Nokia toughness has officially returned, but now in a premium ultra slim body. Camera setup. Now let's get to the part where this phone destroys the competition, the camera. On the back we have a triple lens setup, but the star of the show is a massive 300 megapixel primary sensor. Yes, you heard that right, 300 megapixels. The level of detail is so insane that you could zoom in and practically count someone's eyelashes from across the street. You also get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 150-degree field of view, and an 8 megapixel periscope lens that gives you 100 times hybrid zoom. We are talking about sitting in the back row of a stadium and still seeing the sweat on a player's face. For all you content creators out there, the 50 megapixel front camera supports 4K video recording, making every selfie and vlog instant Instagram gold. Performance. Under the hood, this thing is an absolute beast. It is powered by the world's most powerful mobile processor right now, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. Built on a cutting-edge 2nm process, this chip is not just lightning fast, it is also incredibly battery efficient. You are looking at options for 12 or 16 gigs of RAM, paired with up to 512 gigs of UFS 5.0 storage. High-end gaming, 4K video editing, heavy multitasking, it all runs like a hot knife through butter. And best of all, it comes with Nokia's own Flow UI based on the latest Android 17, giving you a clean, bloatware-free experience that feels incredibly snappy. Battery life. They named it the Oxygen, because this battery life will keep your tech life breathing forever. It packs a 7500 milliamp-hour monster battery. For gamers, travelers, and anyone who hates carrying a power bank, this is a total dream come true. And when you finally do need to plug in, the box includes a 125-watt super-fast charger. The company claims you can charge for just 15 minutes and be set for an entire day. Plus it fully supports 50-watt fast wireless charging for those who want to ditch the cables completely. Price and launch date. So let's talk about the question everyone is asking, the price. Despite these insane flagship specs, Nokia is being incredibly aggressive with the numbers. Leaks suggest the starting price will land somewhere between $750 and $850. That is flagship killer territory, my friends. As for the launch, get your calendars ready. This phone is expected to hit the market by the end of September 2026, with pre-orders likely starting in the first week of October. So what do you think? Can the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G actually take the air out of the room for Samsung, Apple, and Google? Are you hyped for a 300 megapixel camera and that massive 7500 milliamp-hour battery? Drop a comment below and let me know if this is going to be your next upgrade.